Like the gas station.
What are you talking about? Hey guys, we thought we would crack you up.
I'm Mark.
I'm Carrie.
The Art of Rving, and today
We thought you would enjoy some fun.
they're not bloopers, it's real life.
Yeah. Oh, and this is Oscar. We didn't say who that was.
Yeah, and you're gonna smile. Hey, hit us up on Instagram,
Hit the subscribe button if you haven't.
Patreon.
And Patreon. Hit
Yep.
the thumbs up.
And we're ready to go. One more. You ready?
Why? What are we doing wrong?
Just
What are we doing wrong? Hey guys, headed to Hot Springs. Go ahead.
Oh my God.
Who's gonna say what?
Hey guys.
Hey, I'm Carrie. I thought you were gonna start first.
So this is what we call the prisoner door.
Here you go, prisoner number 23.
Thank you.
RV.
So here we go with the answer to the question number 2.
I'll do it. Let me talk.
I'm sorry. And so the answer to number 7 is I forgot the question.
We're at one of our favorite places to purchase camping supplies.
She buys too much.
We're at one of our favorite camping supply stores. Can't say the name, but okay.
I guess. What do I know? And we are with the
Art of RVing.
Yeah. Wow. Enthusiastic.
Hey, I'm Carrie.
Hey, I'm using my RV underwear voice. Turn to me a little.
I want you to just hold me up because I'm tired.
Oh, please.
There's a mean cat with no tail over there.
He'll get on you.
Hey, I'm
But you know what we are? Happy campers! Hey, I'm Mark.
I'm Carrie.
I'm yelling.
As usual. Try to avoid like soft drinks, alcohol, things like that can deplete you of your and make you more dehydrated. Drink water, 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 water. So if you're not currently subscribed, we'd love it if you would go ahead and do that. Just hit the red subscribe button down below. Hey guys, I'm Carrie.
Are you gonna do that to your face the whole time?
Well, yeah, I can't see.
All you gotta do is just squint. So you got storage up here. Oh. Hey, this is the Art of Rving.
It's really loud in my ear.
I'm yelling. Yes, and she brought me a sandwich, and she's sweet.
So sweet. If you're subscribed, thank you. If you're not, please do so. And hit the like button if you like what you see. And hit us up on Instagram. Feel free to eat, Mark Bailey. This is the only time I get to talk. It's when he's eating. 'Cause he's Hey guys, I'm Carrie.
I'm Mark.
We are at Dangerfield.
I'm yelling. Made a new friend. He's right there. Oh, he's so cute.
We're getting ready to go to the silos.
Going to the silos.
Maddie, our daughter. This is Mark's idea of parking close.
Oh, come on.
We can't even see the silo. There's all parking spots all over. So we had like 9 rolls from that. You are distracting me.
Boring.
Have some coffee.
There might not be something there that, well, something you have to pay attention to, be sensitive to. Like the gas station.
What are you talking about? Stay tuned.
You're a dork.
Mark's not used to eating sugar, and he said, my eyes are watering. I looked over at him, and I said, why are your eyes watering? He said, I'm just so happy.
Today is another imitation.
Yes.
What would you say about this guy?
He has a goatee. I couldn't think of anything, because
Welcome to the show! Today it's
5 minutes long enough. Welcome to the Art of RVing. Welcome to the Art of RVing. Today Mark has 2 more impressions for you. And he spent the whole day.
If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe because I'm wearing red pants. We gotta explain how it's gonna work.
I was getting ready to.
Okay, start over. Hey guys, what is the most sincerest form of flattery?
The most sincere.
Oh Lord.
Not sincerest.
Okay, here we go.
You can start, but let me talk.
Hey guys.
Here we go, another imitation. I was looking down. Sorry.
Okay, you ready? Hey guys.
Here we go, another imitation.
You're pursing your lips at first. Here we go.
Here we go, another imitation. Number 8.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel.
I'm not Mark. I'm Carrie.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Look right here.
Okay, here we go. Ah!
Oh, stop it.
One more. You ready?
Why? What are we doing wrong?
Just
What are we doing wrong?